Oh, it's okay. So they got their new potties, but they don't really want to use them in the conventional way. Be careful. You want help getting your foot out? Okay. There you go. No, Julia, what do you want help with? You want a book? Okay, here's a book. What are you going to do?
Book.
No, the book doesn't go in the potty. No, no, no. You can sit on the potty and read the book. No, book doesn't go in the potty.
Book. Book.
Julia really doesn't go in the potty either.
Book.
Yeah. James is on the horsey.
Horsey. Horsey. Horsey. Horsey.
That one blue?
Boo.
Yeah, James, this is blue.
Boo. Boo. Boo.
Yeah, that one's blue. Oh, James is going to sit on his potty. Juliet's going to stand in her potty.
Poo. 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 Poo.
Oh, are you going to go poo-poo in your potty?
Bye. Pee-pee, 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 pee-pee.
Are you? Is that what you're going to do in your potty? Pee-pee and poo-poo?
Pee-pee, poo-poo, pee-pee, poo-poo, pee-pee, poo-poo, pee-pee, poo-poo, pee-pee, poo-poo, pee-pee. Boo. Boo. Boo.
Yeah, that one's blue.